Hello, in this video I'll show you how to edit your playlist. If you haven't already watched how to create a playlist, go ahead and do that. I will leave a link in the card of this video or in the description box below so that you can get started making your playlist, and then this video will make a lot more sense. So we've gone through the process and added all of our videos from our 30 Days of Pinterest video series. What if I wanted to actually make sure that the install the Pinterest pin it button was above the Pinterest profile? What I would do is click, do you see how it turned into these two lines? It was number 5, now it has these two lines. I'm going to click, hold it down, and drag it up. So you can definitely go through and you can rearrange this however you like. Next is this 30 Days of Pinterest. What you see here, you can customize how that looks as well from one of these videos. So if I didn't want that there, I can say, okay, this pin your YouTube videos is one of the more engaged ones. I can click these 3 dots on the right side and click Set as Playlist Thumbnail. And there we go. Pin your YouTube videos changed here. Although I do like it as 30 Days of Pinterest, so we'll put that back. Next, let's change the description in what you see here. Down here, click Edit. I can hover my mouse over 30 Days of Pinterest, click here, and then edit the title. Okay, so I wanted to include a link in here. If you haven't seen the video on how to make your links clickable in YouTube, make sure to watch that video because I explained to you how to make your links clickable so that your viewers don't have to type it in themselves. They just push a button and it takes them to that website. Next are the playlist settings. When you click that, you can choose the privacy. So if it is public, unlisted, or private, we went over that already, but it just gives you another way to do it here. Make sure you order it in a way that your viewers will be able to go from one video to the next, making it easy for them. Next, allow embedding. I believe this is for websites if you want to be able to embed your playlist in a website. Auto add. If there were certain terms that you have for your video coming to this playlist, so we can say if the title contains, or if the description contains, or if there's a certain tag that you use, then YouTube will automatically add that video to that playlist. So I do believe most of mine, so if I wanted to say if the title contains the word Pinterest, then any video that has the word Pinterest in the title will get added to that playlist. So I think that's really cool. I'm not going to use that because I like to manually add mine, but you have that option as well. Collaborate. So collaborators can add videos to this playlist. I think of that almost as Pinterest group boards, because with a Pinterest group board, you can invite collaborators, and as they pin to that group board, your viewers will see it, and that's the same here. So if you have a collaborator, you give them this link, and then they can add videos to this playlist.